How's it going, everyone? Yeah, I'm a glutton for punishment. I went over to the old shop and pulled some more crap out. These are just some albums that I had over there in a box. Some Vanilla Fudge. Let's see, Vanilla Fudge is the one they have Season of the Witch. And then, let's see, I think Tarkus, I think that's Emerson, Lake, and Palmer. Is that what it is? Yeah. Emerson, Rake, and Palmer. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, some more Vanilla Fudge. Rock and Roll. That needs cleaned up. The Band. Hey, leave that alone over there. Jefferson Starship. And what was the other one? Oh, another Supertramp. A little nasty on the edge, but I don't care. Most of those are mine. I keep this stuff for myself. This is just a bunch of stuff I bought, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years ago, and I just have not done anything with it. Since I got everything set up, I'll play some albums while I'm working on some crap. But what I brought over was 3 PlayStation 1s. And the only reason I kept these ones is because these are 1001s. This is the only model that has an AV out on it. And usually these are a little bit more, get down there, sought after. I know this one needs a laser. That's pretty obvious because it says need laser. Bummer. And I'm sure the other two are probably a little wimpy too. Probably the same thing going on with them. And I brought 2 more Xboxes over from my mountain of Xboxes. I counted them while I was over there, and I still have 24 more Xbox over there to go through. But they're kind of kicking my butt. The longer they sit, the worse they get because of that stupid super cap that's in them. That super cap starts puking, and once it starts puking, it really destroys the circuit board. Whatever. So this is what we're going to be looking at today. First thing I'm going to do is I just want to check out everything and see what the hell we got going on. And like I said, I'm almost positive all 3 of those are going to need lasers or work done to the laser or whatever. And the Xboxes, I'll probably test them out with you, and we'll see what those are like. And I may do another video of messing around with those, the original PlayStations. Because I'm trying to do some shorter stuff here, some shorter videos for everyone. Alright, so I'm going to get you set up, and we'll get those Xboxes up, and let's take a peek at them and see what they're doing. Alright, let's see if we can if we have any that boot, at least, and don't give us the old fun red-green. Yeah, red-green. The women don't find you attractive, at least they'll find you handy. Yeah, let's see, power. Power. Oh, hell. We're starting off really good here. Power. Okay. So we have no power. I know my strip's good because my TV's on. And this is the cord I always use. So we may have a dookie. Oh, there we go. On, off. On, off. Flashing green. And red. Told you I was a glutton for punishment. Okay, let's try it. Uno more times. Green, flashy green, off. Flashy green, off. Flashy green, red. Oh, yay! That just makes my day. Okay. So, no power, and then it powered up, and powers off, powers up, powers off, and then it goes red. Flashy red. Nice, pretty red. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Another one. The other one I brought over. That didn't sound good. I heard it pop as soon as I pushed the cord in. Okay. Power. Can you see that? Okay. Power on. No power. Power on. No power. Okay, I heard this one snap when I plugged it in. Let's drain it. And try again. Power on. Nothing. So this one has absolutely no power. And actually that might be a good thing, because it may mean that we have a problem with our power supply and our board is good. Let's see, what year is this one? This is a 2002 1019. Let's see, it's never been opened. Just a glutton for punishment on these. Boy, that's sure awful sloppy. She's got the sloppy hole. No go with a sloppy hole. Okay, let's. Okay, no power. I do believe I will pull that one down and see what the hell is going on with it. And when I get it all tore down, I will bring you back if I find anything. If not, this might be a very short and end of the video. Oh, by the way, behave yourself while I'm gone. Okay, folks. Cardinal sin I pulled. My cord was bad. This one, but you can see we have the on green. Oops. Come on. Yep, flicker green. On green, and there. Off. But listen. That is a bad hard drive. Now she won't turn off. Usually when you have a hard drive that is just constantly clicking like that, normally it's bad. So let's get this one out. But normally, you know, the first thing you should do is check your power cord. But it worked on the other one, but not on this one. This one, it just didn't want to go in far enough. So now I got this chintzy piece of crap cord that I'm using. You know, it's good enough. I don't think we'd want to run it for very long. Another hard drive out of another piece of crap that we looked at. It's probably doing the same thing as these, as the flashers. And I have people contacting me saying mine's doing the same thing. Did you figure it out yet? It's like, no. I'd love to figure it out. I got a whole potload of these things. Okay, there. Change the hard drive. Let's see what it does now. Same thing. See what the hard drive does though. Okay, no clicky on the hard drive, so I do believe now we have a good hard drive in it. Now we have just the orange. All right, you got enough colors. Green, red, orange. I'm not sure if I thought the orange was video. When you have orange flashing, might be mistaken, but I thought that was an indication of a video problem. Nope. Okay, I'm going to have some more fun and I'll bring you back if I find out something. Alright, at least we got an assessment of the two Xboxes. Like I said, this is, you know, what I do during the week is just kind of check some stuff out and then decide what I want to work on. Let's see, plugged in, you're plugged in. There you are. And then I decide whether I want to work on it or if I want to just toss it in the corner and go get another one and see if I can get something that's a little easier or whatever, because eventually I know I will have to work on a bunch of this stuff. But right now it's just kind of, let's do some easier stuff that I can get through and get ready to sell. Now let's test out these old PlayStations. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Stay closed. It looks like it was just, yeah, just a kind of a click. So I know this one doesn't read discs, but at least we can see if it's still booting up. And then we can worry about if we want to do anything else with this one. Power button's dumb. It definitely needs some help. Oh shit, now I see what it did. Yeah, God, that's the only thing bad about these Maltese is the connector always breaks when you have one that's a little stiffer to get in. It ends up shoving these things back in. And so now this one's going to be all screwed up. Yeah. I don't think I can get hold of it and push it in. If not, I'll just go get a regular PlayStation. piece of crap anyway. Aftermarkets always suck. Yeah. Nope, can't get it in far enough. Yeah, I know. Stop. Okay, let me go grab another one. Alright. Branded Sony. That should work a little better. There we go. God. Piece of crap. Yeah, it's going to be a little goofy. I grabbed a AV cord that looks like someone stepped on, and the RCA jacks were all mashed. So I had to straighten them out, and I think I didn't get the one audio or the video straightened out enough. God, should have stayed in the house today. Okay, let's see. We got Pac-Man World in there. I have a controller, kind of a crap one, of course. Oh, that one, we can't even get the disc to spin on this one. Oh, get out of there. Hey. Okay. Piece of crap. These are nice little units. I mean, they must have sold. God. I don't know. How many of these of the original PlayStations did they sell? I mean, this had to have been one of the most popular game systems ever. Because of what they could do. Oh, it was already on. Alright, let's... dirty, but let's see if it'll at least spin it up. I think that one I actually heard it spin. Let's see. I'll start him out with it facing towards you. Let's... doing something. Didn't spin though. Maybe not. Maybe we got another dead stick. Oh, that one did. I think that one actually did try and spin at that time. Wishful thinking. But I think I do hear the laser moving a little bit. Okay. Well, number 2 is a dead stick. No, not dead, but it sure won't read. Alright, let's try number 3. And I say, third time's a charm. Yep, that one was on too. Well, at least we know all 3 of them boot anyway. Be nice to get one to do something and face it right at you. Yeah, I can hear that one doing something. It's clicking. Yep. Okay. So it is recognizing at least that there's a disc in it. That's encouraging. But I hear it clicking. Ooh. Okay. We're on CD player, yeah. It thinks there's a CD in it instead of a game. Let's, just for gits and shiggles, let's try another one. Now this disc is bad. It's actually got a dent in it. Right there. So it will not play all the way through. It may start it, because usually to read it, it reads in here or out on the edge to tell the player. Alright, I give up. Do we have a bad spindle on this one? Possibility. Let's see what it does. See what it comes up. Yeah, see, it's still coming up as a CD. It's a CD player. If you didn't know, the original PlayStations will play CDs. Let's see. I need to find... This may even have a bad controller port. But we're close anyway on this one. So I will probably do a video of taking all three of these and seeing if we can't put one or two together. That's kind of my goal, is to just check stuff out and see what's would be good for making a video. So I think in the future you may see a video of us fixing one of these or two of them. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. I kind of like making these little short ones. They're a hell of a lot easier to work on in the house on a computer. Editing and rendering, I can get them done and uploaded a lot quicker than my basic hour ones. Those ones take me about usually between 14 to 18 hours to upload onto YouTube. These ones I can get done overnight, and then I can get them posted either in the next morning, or I can have a bunch of them ready. So I definitely... Now, let's see. How about if you go and use my Amazon link and buy something so you can help support the channel? But you don't have to. Doesn't mean you have to. So I hope to see you on the next one. Until then, see ya.